Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and delete photos from servers in FaceApp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official FaceApp application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the official app store on your mobile phone, open up the app store, search for FaceApp, find the application and install it. So after installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started opening up photos either from our camera roll or directly from our gallery, and now we can get started editing. So as you can see, once you open up your photos, they're going to appear in the menu right here. You can go and tap on them to get started editing. So let's go and take a look at how to delete photos from servers in FaceApp once you have uploaded them to FaceApp. So basically, we are going to go to the settings option, and then we are going to go ahead and enter in the privacy option. So let's go back to the main page, and from the main page of FaceApp we are going to go to settings in the upper left corner, and now we are going to go ahead and be taking a look at the privacy and legal option. So once you go ahead and open up privacy and legal, it's going to enable you to go ahead and send a privacy request or delete cloud photo cache, and this is how to go ahead and delete photos from servers. So you can use the delete cloud photo cache, and if you are satisfied with that, you can also send a privacy request, and you're going to go and be able to request from them to delete your account and all the images associated with it. So those are the two options you have for deleting photos from servers. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.